guys, it's your Filipina Girl Zatrisia, and for today's vlog is all about a pageant-inspired makeup look. But before we start, gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga nagmamahal at sumusuporta sa akin dito sa aking YouTube channel. Halfway to 10k subscriber na po tayo, and 5k subscriber na tayo. Happy 5,000 subscriber here on my YouTube channel. Dumadami na talaga kayo, at kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa aking YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe and click the bell button so that you will get notified every time I uploaded a new video. After I watch Miss Universe Philippines, sobrang gaganda nilang lahat, sobrang gagaling nilang lahat. Pero alam naman natin na sa isang kompetisyon, merong kailangang isang manalo. And congratulations to our newly crowned Miss Universe Philippines, Miss Beatrice Luigi Gomez. And for today's vlog, I will try to recreate her look. So without further ado, let's just get started. Uunahin ko munang gawin itong ating kilay kapag pageant makeup look, at kung base sa makikita nyo sa mga makeup look ng mga kandidata at makeup ni Miss Beatrice, talagang on fleek yung kanilang mga kilay. Pero yung kilay niya, I think natural yun. Ganun. Sana all. Gagamit lang ako ng ash gray eyebrow pomade para sa ating kilay and Miss Bella brush. For the eyebrow mascara, gagamit ako nitong Maybelline New York in the shade 250 Blonde. Blonde. Hindi ko alam kung paano i-pronounce. Basta yan. Ito yung gagamitin natin. Shucks, ayaw mabuksan. Ano ba yun? No? Ayaw mabuksan.
A few moments later.
Next is lilinisin lang natin yung mga harsh edges ng ating kilay kanina using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade 20 Sun. And isasama ko na lang din itong ating eyelids. Hindi pa natin isa-set itong ating eye makeup kasi papatungan ko pa siya nitong Glamour Plage Full Coverage Foundation kasi ang shade nito is super white. So, mas maganda yung kapit ng ating eyeshadow mamaya. For today's makeup look, gagamit ako nitong aking James Charles palette, and kung mapapansin nyo sa eye makeup ni Miss Beatrice, parang mix color siya ng pink, peach, tapos matapang yung pagka ng eye makeup niya, parang fierce look. Ganun yung itatry nating i-achieve na eye makeup today. And gagamit lang ako ng brush na ganito ulit, and start tayo sa lighter shade, which is ito. Next color, punta tayo sa kulay na to. And haluan natin itong kulay pink. Tapos ito ulit. Pansin ko lang sa mga nagiging makeup look na mga nagpa-pageant, ewan ko kung tama ha, correct me if I'm wrong kasi hindi naman ako naka-experience pang mag-pageant. Parang yung makeup look na ginagamit nila is yung madaling i-partner sa outfit or sa different outfit na isusuot nila. For the foundation, gagamitin ko lang itong aking Dream Satin Liquid in the shade 50 Creamy Natural. Kung mapapansin nyo sa look ni Miss Beatrice, sobrang ganda ng kanyang ilong. So, itatry nating i-contour itong nose natin. Magbibihis lang ako and aayusin ko lang itong ating buhok and I'll be back. Ito na yung final look and final hair look natin for today. But before we finalize our makeup look, yung i-apply natin sa ating lips, gusto ko muna ipakita or iswatch yung mga lip paint na sinend ni Gavrything Cosmetics. Thank you so much, Miss Aiza, for sending this velvet lip paint ng Gavrything Cosmetics. She is a seller of these cosmetic products. Thank you so much and isa-swatch natin siya today. Let's start from the lighter shade to darker shades of Gavrything Cosmetics and magsimula tayo dito sa velvet lip paint in the shade Cheers. Ayan. Ganito siya kapag isinwatch. Ganyan yung kulay niya sa aking braso. For the next shade is itong Velvet Lip Paint Gavrything Cosmetics in the shade Limited. And ganito siya sa aking balat. Ganyan yung kulay niya. For the third shade of Gavrything Cosmetics is itong Velvet Lip Paint in the shade Mermaid. Ilalagay ko lang din siya dito sa ating balat. Ganyan yung color niya. Medyo orangey. Next velvet lip paint ng Gavrything Cosmetics is itong shade na Love. For the last shade of velvet lip paint from Gavrything Cosmetics is itong Bold, in the shade Bold. Enjoy this video, please like if you enjoy it, subscribe and click the bell button so that you will get notified every time I uploaded a new video. Leave a comment below kung may gusto pa kayong ipagawang ibang contents or other contents na gusto nyo makita dito sa aking YouTube channel, and bye! See you in my next one. Mwah!